Yes, this transformer is out. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In last session, I shared a practical review of this electrically operated desoldering vacuum pump. It is not desoldering gun. It is electrically operated. We can say it is a replacement of this pump. When we are using this manual pump, we use soldering iron to heat up any joint. Then we place this sucker and it will create vacuum and it will suck the solder. It is vacuum pump plus soldering iron. It is not desoldering gun. When we will press it, its piston will return back. It will create vacuum. And when we will leave it, its piston will return back again. Once retract like this, when we will leave it, that time that piston will move back. When it will retract, it will suck the liquid solder from its nozzle. But when we will leave it like this piston will return back and it will throw all the solder outside from the nozzle. I received comments that it leaves some dots, some liquid solder droplets on the PCB. We will see it now. And the second comment, that try it on double layer PCB. So we will see these two comments. I am using this double layer PCB. It is soldered from both sides. So we will remove any component that is soldered from double side. Let's see this diode ZD801. It is soldered from this side and it is soldered from here. Now I will make example that it leaves some solder droplets on the PCB. I will suck solder from here and I will leave this button while facing to the PCB. I sucked solder. There is no solder droplets on the PCB, but when I will leave this button, then the solder is there. Like this. It is not fault. I think we must take care while using it. We will press this button. As I discussed, it will suck the liquid solder and it will keep in its nozzle until we will leave this button. So when we want to leave it, we must move it outside from the PCB area so that the PCB will remain clean. Now let's remove this diode. I will touch the solder for better thermal conductivity. When we are using this tool, try to keep it in this direction so that the liquid solder can flow easily. Yes, this diode is out. That is this diode. Now we will remove this IC. I also received comments from my viewers that its nozzle outer diameter is large. When we are desoldering in small pitch area, that time it makes connection with the next one. So I think manufacturer must take care about this. Manufacturer must resize the nozzle outer diameter. There are 3 spare nozzles, but that nozzles have different internal diameter, but external diameter, that is the biggest issue. Let's try it now. Yes, this pin is free. This pin is free. This pin is free. This is free, 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 and free. Approximately all pins are free. Let's check it now. Yes, the IC is in good shape. So I think its result is, as per my opinion, its result is satisfactory. If you have same product and you have any observation, please write in the comments. Let's remove this transformer now. That is this one. this is mistake. When I release the button facing to the PCB, it sprayed the liquid solder here. It is my problem, not problem for this product. Yes, this transformer is out. So this transformer is out without damaging any pin, without damaging any track, or without damaging any PCB rivet, PCB cylinder. Just only we need to take care while soldering. We will not release the button facing to the PCB. We will release this button away from the PCB. I hope you are satisfied with this review. If you have any observation, if you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.